What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. I am super pumped to be back with you guys again today, and especially because we got us a brand new shampoo search to get through. For those new to the channel, this is a segment that I started when I was looking for a new shampoo for myself, and in doing so, I not only found some awesome shampoos to share with you guys, but I also started learning about different types of ingredients and what to look out for and what was scary and not scary as far as hair care goes, and I've been really excited to share some of that knowledge with you guys. I've also always said here on the channel that the first step in getting an awesome hairstyle is hair care. A lot of folks say it's the haircut, but if your hair is in bad shape, then getting a good haircut really won't matter. Today I plan to show you a brand that will help you get a better handle on some of those hair problems and get you on the path to better hair. Here we go. So what are we dealing with here? Well, let me be honest with you for a second. When I first saw this company's name, WOW, I was guilty of thinking bad assumptions. There are thoughts going through my head thinking of old cartoons where the companies are all named Acme or OK. Then I got a hold of the bottles though and started looking through the ingredients, and I realized these guys were here to play hardball. They had some real serious ingredients here. Then of course I tried it and I totally understood why the company is called WOW. It's so freaking cheesy to say that I said wow when I tried it, but I did. And now that I'm saying it out loud, it sounds totally cheap and cheesy. So instead of just making this situation more awkward, let's just get a closer look at these cleansers. Today our search brings us to a brand whose name fully describes its products. This is a brand made in the USA and known for striving for two main goals with each product: to provide premium products with all natural bioactive ingredients and to provide the results they promise with each product. But how is this done? As usual, it's all in the ingredients. With the shampoo, it all starts with apple cider vinegar, which is awesome because it's a potent all-natural antimicrobial which can kill bacteria and actually treat things like dandruff and assist in preventing hair loss. It also plays a vital role in removing product and restoring life back to your hair. Besides that awesome stuff, it also contains pure apple and pear extracts and bioactive ingredients. Basically what we have here is an all-natural health explosion on your scalp. And for those that might still be afraid of certain things, it is sulfate and paraben free. And now for the conditioner, or the icing on the big healthy cake we're baking here. This conditioner has so much health in it, it's just nuts. Just about the only thing it doesn't have is unicorn magic. It contains wheat protein, virgin coconut oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin B5 and E. It's just packed full of stuff, and it works to repair your hair from common hair afflictions like split ends, breakage, hair loss, frizz, and flyaways. Now that we have figured out these cleansers can basically solve world hunger, let's see what they do to my hair. Here we got some slept-in old product hat hair. It's nicely matted down and ready for some rejuvenation. Wet hair is obviously what we need here, and then we start with some of the apple cider vinegar shampoo and we are on the way to a healing. As I work it in, I can definitely feel it cleaning, but it doesn't have the usual texture I think you get with some shampoos. It almost feels like it's softly cleaning versus being kind of rough. Rinsing it out is pretty usual, no surprises there, and now it's time to hit the conditioner. I'm going to work that in and I'm going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. This is something we should be doing with all conditioners and not just this one. Letting it sit on the scalp allows for that awesome healthy magic to just absorb and really take effect on your hair and scalp. Here is the end result after rinsing and drying the hair. You can easily see that my volume has naturally plumped to a great level, and it's obviously extremely soft. What I really noticed too is even though it's soft and nourished, it still isn't going flat, which means it's going to style really well. Speaking of styling, we are going to be taking a look at the third product they sent me to try out, the 10-in-1 Revitalizer. This is obviously named because it provides 10 major benefits for the hair. Essentially what this does is it enriches the hair with premium botanical extracts and vitamins. Right here on the bottle it says it provides root to tip frizz taming, stronger roots, less split ends, improved lipid barrier, visibly improved texture, dandruff control, hair breakage protection, hair fall control, higher luster, and intense hydration. Man, this video video is starting to make me feel like I'm in one of those late night cheesy infomercials. Hi there, Mike here for Wow Skin Science, the only shampoo and conditioner that will not only fix your hair, but it'll fix your leaky pipes, fix those cracked windshields, and even cook you a full 3-course dinner, all for the low price of $24.95. Call in the next 5 minutes and you'll also get the new 10-in-1 Revitalizer spray, guaranteed to cure your hair loss and make you run 2 times faster or your money back. That's gonna get some comments. Alright, time to get serious. We've hit the reset button over here and now we're testing out this spray. To me here, what I think I see is really just a tamed version of the end result we just saw. In other words, it took the frizz out and set me up for easy styling. It also made it noticeably softer. For styling, I'm going to be throwing in some anti-gravity by Lockhart's. What you can easily see here is the hair is totally cooperating, but we're not losing that natural volume that was set up by the hair care regimen. This shampoo conditioner seriously impressed not only me, but my wife as well. She usually doesn't try the majority of things that I get to try here on the channel, but she did happen to try this out because of the apple cider vinegar ingredient. You see, my wife was dealing with some skin impurities on the scalp due to an autoimmune disease, and we had tried everything. We'd gone to the doctor, bought all those big expensive store brand shampoos, oils, all kinds of things, and of course nothing was helping to remove it. And of course, in true cheesy infomercial fashion, I'm about to tell you this shampoo worked. And that sounds like garbage, but it's absolutely true. The first time she tried the shampoo, she saw a huge difference. And then she used it a couple times more and she was actually able to see the majority of it go away. And really what's to blame for that is the apple cider vinegar. It is actually excellent for the hair and can be added by itself to help with some of these afflictions. The other cool thing I like about this set is the price. We've been seeing a lot of awesome cleansers here on the channel lately, and some of you have expressed concern with the price and not being able to afford some of them, and that's something I totally understand. So when I came across this brand and started looking into their stuff, their price was something I made note of right away. And seeing how well it worked made me want to feature it even more. For both the shampoo and the conditioner, 2 10-ounce bottles, the price is $24.95. That is an awesome price, and they even sell on Amazon. I'm a big Amazon addict myself, so you know if there's something I can get prime shipping on, I am all over it. Again, $24.95 for both of those products is a great price. The 10-in-1 Revitalizer might be a little bit pricey depending on how you look at it. I don't think it's too pricey at 6.8 ounces for $24.95, but again, that's kind of based on how you value things and what you think it'll do for you. The shampoo and conditioner though also work really good in my opinion. They work great at removing hair product. I did try them on water-based products and even oil-based products. I tried the conditioner trick with it. During that test, I think it worked pretty well. I had to go through 2 rounds of shampoo with the oil base. So again, that's pretty good, not bad in my opinion, and I really don't have any complaints with these products. The big question though is, do I think they work better than more expensive shampoos? The answer is yes and no. There are some that I can definitely think of that these work better than, most of them being salon and store brands, but there are some others that I think are still worth the higher price that they charge. But for those who can't afford to pay for those and still want to fix their hair problems or take their hair to the next level, I think these work great for that. Now, I hope I got everything covered here for you guys, and I hope that this video helps you out in your own shampoo search. I will have a lot more to show you in the coming weeks. I'm discovering some really awesome things here in the world of hair care, and I can't wait to share it all with you in future videos. If this video did help you out, make sure you smash that like button for me, and if you haven't already, make sure you also subscribe to the channel. I got some really cool content planned for you guys coming up very soon that I'm sure you will not want to miss. That is it though for today's episode. I want to thank you so much for stopping by the channel and checking out this video. I will be back with you guys again very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.